How to upload HD videos on TikTok. First you want to open your app, and from here you want to tap on your plus icon, then record a short video, just long. And once your video is done recording, or you can import your video as well, tap on this done. Now from here you can tap on next, but before we do that, make sure to head down below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well, so you would get notified every time we post new videos. Alright, so now you want to tap on next, and from here what you want to do is tap on more options. And if you scroll down, you can see this option, allow high quality uploads. Just make sure that this is turned on. Doing this will make sure that your uploads are high quality and it will not degrade your resolution. But even if you've done this and still not, your videos are still not uploading on high quality, there is one more thing that you can do, which is if you just go back and head over to your profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right to go to your settings and privacy. Just scroll down until you see cache and cellular and tap on data saver. Now, make sure that this data saver is turned off, because if you are on mobile data and you're uploading a video, when this is turned on, your video are not going to be as good as they should be. So once you turn it off, your videos should be of high quality when you upload them. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.